Hi and welcome to In the Can. Today I'm going to be making a nice big fruit salad with a vanilla sauce. And so to get started, I cut up 4 apples into bite-sized pieces. I cut up some red grapes. You can use any kind of grapes you want. And cut them in half. I got a pound packet of fresh strawberries and cut them into bite-sized pieces. 2 cans of peach slices in pear juice. I poured the pear juice off and cut the peach slices into bite-sized pieces. I cut up 4 bananas into slices. I have a thawed frozen bag of blueberries. It's a 12-ounce bag. Dump those in there. And 1 can of pineapple chunks in pineapple juice. I'm going to pour the pineapple juice into a bowl. And add the pineapple chunks. And now I'm going to make my sauce. I've got the pineapple juice, and I have 1 small packet of instant vanilla pudding. I know people are a little bit surprised at this, but it makes an excellent sauce. This all blended together. Now, because I'm using pineapple juice to mix with the pudding never gets really thick. It stays kind of runny. I'm going to pour that over top of the top. Oh, this pudding got a little thick, unlike the other. But it's still going to work. Put the lid on this. And start combining it. And this is the easiest way that I know to get it. You can stand here with a spoon and stir it. But there we got it. Everything's coated up in sauce. And there's our finished fruit salad. So hopefully you enjoyed this recipe and you'll give it a try. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.